What if I told you that getting your first 1,000 subscribers isn't about luck? It's not about having expensive equipment, and it's definitely not about going viral. It's about strategy. Because here's the truth: 1,000 subscribers is not a number problem, it's a positioning problem. And today, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, even if nobody knows who you are, even if you don't have fancy gear, and even if you feel like you're getting started late. This is the exact framework small creators use to break out. So let's get into it. Understand that 1,000 subscribers, what it really means. Before we talk tactics, we need to fix your mindset. Most beginners think I need 1,000 people to find me. Wrong. You need 1,000 people to trust you, 1,000 people to see you, consistent value, 1,000 people to feel like you solved something for them. Subscribers don't come from random viewers, they come from repeated value. If 100 people watch one video and leave, you gain almost nothing. But if 20 people watch 5 of your videos each, now you're building loyalty. The first 1,000 subscribers come from depth, not reach, and that changes everything. Pick a niche that actually grows, okay? This is where most people mess up. They say, I want to make videos about something I like. That's a hobby channel, okay? If you want growth, you need to focus. Here's the rule. Specific beats general. Instead of fitness, try weight loss for busy dads. Instead of tech, try budgeting tech for students. Instead of gaming, try how to rank up in Valorant as a beginner, okay? The more specific you are, the easier YouTube can categorize you. The YouTube only pushes content it understands. If your channel is random, the algorithm has no idea who to show it to. Clarity equals discoverability. Stop chasing viral. Start chasing a search. When you're starting from scratch, you don't need viral views. You need searchable content. Search content works because people are already looking for it. There is a demand. It doesn't rely on algorithm guessing. Example, instead of My Fitness Journey episode 1, make how to lose 10 pounds without going to the gym. Instead of question and answers about YouTube, make how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You see the difference? One is about you, and the other one is about the viewer. Search-based videos are your foundation. Make at least first 20 to 30 videos focus on problems people are actively searching for. This builds steady traffic, and steady traffic builds subscribers. Your titles are 80% of your growth. You can have the best video in the world and nobody clicks it. It doesn't matter. Your titles has one job: make the right person curious, okay? Not confused, not impressed, just curious. A bad title would be, how would I improve my channel? A better title would be, how I gained 500 subscribers in 30 days. Strong title formulas or how-tos, or why blank is failing, or the truth about blank, the truth about, or I tried blank for 30 days, or don't do blank until you watch this. Clarity beats, it beats cleverness. If someone has to think to understand your title, it's already losing, okay? If thumbnails win the click, if titles are 80%, thumbnails are the other 80%. Yes, that's how important they are. 3 rules. Keep it simple. Make one clear focus. Use contrast. Don't clutter your thumbnail with 10 words, okay? Use 1 to 4 powerful words max. Example, don't do this, 0 views, or 0 to 1,000. Big face, big emotion, big contrast. Your thumbnail should be understandable in half a second. If someone has to zoom in to read it, it's too complicating, okay? Your first 70 seconds decides everything. Most beginners, they waste their time in intros. They say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nobody cares. Viewers are selfish. They want to know what's in this for me. Start with a bold promise, a strong question, a relatable struggle, a result. Example. Here's an example. If you're stuck under 100 subscribers, this video will show you exactly how to break that barrier. Now they know they should stay. Hook first, introduce later. Retention builds growth, and consistency is better than perfection. You don't need cinematic quality, okay? You need consistency. Uploading once every 2 months won't build momentum, okay? The goal when starting is 1 to 2 videos per week. for at least 90 days. Why? Because your first 20 videos are just practice. Your first 50 videos are data. Your first 100 videos are a refinement. Most people quit at video 12, and that's why they never hit 1,000. Treat your early phase like training, not performance. Learn to read your analytics as well. That's important. Your analytics are not scary. They are feedback. 3 metrics matter most. Click-through rate, CTR. If it's below 4%, your title and thumbnail needs work, okay? Average view duration. If people leave early, fix your hook. Audience retention graph. That's another one that's important. See where viewers drop off. Every drop is a lesson. Instead of guessing what's wrong, let the data tell you. Double down on what works. What one video performs better than the other, don't ignore it. Make more like it. How to get 100 subscribers fast performs well, okay? Make how to get 500 subscribers fast. How to get 100,000 subscribers in 30 days. Why you're not gaining subscribers. YouTube rewards consistency in topic. If a viewer liked one video, they'll likely, like related ones. Success leaves clues. Follow them. Section number 10. Build a content system. Okay? Don't wake up every week asking, what should I post? Have a system. Example content structures, okay? Mondays are how-to tutorials. Wednesday, mistake breakdowns. Friday, case studies. When your brain has structure, creativity flows easier. Consistency becomes automatic, and your audience knows what to expect. Engage with your early viewers. When you're small, your biggest advantage is access. Reply to every comment that you can. Ask questions in your videos. Pin comments. Build community early. Those first 100 subscribers, they matter the most because they become your core supporters. And loyal viewers signal YouTube to push your content more. Okay? Section 12. Use shorts strategically. Shorts can accelerate growth if used correctly. Don't just, repost random clips. Use short to highlight key moments. Tease longer videos. Deliver quick wins. Call to action full videos on my channel. Okay. Shorts bring awareness. Long form builds loyalty. Use both. Improve 1% every video. Don't try to fix everything all at once. Okay. Improve one thing per episode. Better lighting, stronger hook, cleaner edits, or even stronger storytelling. Small improvements compound. Over 50 videos, you won't even recognize your old content. Growth is gradual, then sudden. Master the storytelling. Facts inform, stories retain. Instead of consistency is important, say, I upload 10 videos and got 3 views. I almost quit. Then I changed one thing. Now people are emotionally invested. Storytelling increases watch time, and watch time fuels growth. Why most people never hit 1,000? I'll tell you the why. They quit too early. They post inconsistently, ignore analytics, and they change their niches constantly. Focus on themselves instead of the viewers. That's what they do. Getting 1,000 subscribers is not complicated. It's uncomfortable. It is. It requires showing up when results are slow. But when slow, it does not mean you're failing. It means you're building. Okay? And here's a realistic timeline that you need to live by. Okay? Let's be honest. You probably won't hit 1,000 in 30 days. Most creators hit 1,000 between 3 to 12 months, and that's normal. The faster you accept the timeline, the less frustrated you'll feel. And momentum compounds. The snowball effect. The first 100 subscribers feel impossible. The next 400 feel hard, and the last 500 feel fast. Okay, because more videos equal more surface area. More subscribers equals more engagements. More engagements equals more recommendation. Growth stacks. Okay. And here's your action plan. If I had to restart from zero, I would pick a specific niche, create 30 searchable video ideas, upload twice a week for 90 days, improve thumbnails every upload, study analytics weekly, and double down on winning topics. Use shorts to funnel traffic and engage with every comment. That's it. No hacks, no secrets, no shortcuts, just strategy, consistency, and that's it. That's it. You're at 0 subscribers now. Good. Because you're not late. You're too early. You're early. And every big channel you admire once had 0 subscribers. The difference? They didn't stop. Your first 1,000 subscribers are earned, not given. So stop waiting for perfection. Stop waiting for viral. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop uploading with intention. And I'll see you at 1,000 If you liked what you've seen and you like some of the tips, go ahead. If you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee. It's down in the description and on the front page of our channel. If not, that's fine too. Check out this video up on the right. It's some more tips that can really help your channel out, that we're trying to get more views to your YouTube channel together. Let's do it together. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. It's kind of sad my lighting died. It must be telling me I need to stop.